Hello everybody, welcome back to our third part of our isometric. We are working on figure 4, page 15. We finished all these parts in the previous videos. We'll continue our work. So, what else we need? We need this part, the rear part of our arch. So, how can we do it? I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a construction line. First, we'll go to F5 to the top and take construction lines, line at point from here, there, where it will be intersects with this one. So this is my intersection of my arch in the back. Now I'll take a copy. Here is a copy of my arc with this one. Okay, and take it from here and put it at the end. Now I can take a line from here, there, line from here, there. Okay, so see, yep, this is what we have. Trim, this is trim. Where to trim? You trim this intersects here and take this out. This is my rear part of my arc. This is my rear part of my arc. We need a fillets here and we need a hole. Again, we don't have hole in isometric and we don't have fillets. How can we manage that? We go to our model and see our fillet will be R12. So I'll take 12 in order to determine the radius of my fillet. I take construction line at point. We are in top ISO. Okay, again, enter from here, there. Enter, and from here, there. And from here, there. Yes. So this is my outside part of my base. Now I'll make a copies of this by 16. This one goes down 12, sorry. But it's on my fillet. Enter this one. It comes here by 12. Enter, and this one it comes here by 12. Enter this one there. Oh, enter this one, enter there, 12. This is my centers of my fillets. My fillet is 12. It's a circle. There's no circle in the isometric, so I'll go for ellipse. I'll choose an isocircle and I have a center here. My 12 is here. Okay, with the intersection I'll give it 12. It intersects. Before I trim and do anything, I'll take a copy of my circles from the center to the center. Where is the center? Here's the center, and this is this center. In order to make it easy. Now I'll take this down, copy all these circles, 1, 2, 3, enter. I need a z-axis. This is my z-axis, and I'll take them by 12 from up down or from this corner to this corner. It's this line is 12. Now I'll have trim. As I told you, first just get rid of this construction line. Okay, first trim by lines, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we have this one, and take the part that we don't need from our circle. Okay, now I'll take a line from the quadrant to the quadrant, okay, and from the other side I'll take a line from the quadrant to the quadrant. Now we'll trim again by what? By arcs. 1, 2, sorry, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. Enter. Let's take this out and this out. Didn't take it out, it doesn't matter. Okay, this out, and this here, you don't need it. There's no line here. Why? I don't know. Let's continue it. We trim it by mistake. Again, trim by this arc. Enter, take this out. Again, trim by this line. Sorry, trim by this line. Enter, take this out. Now I don't need this one. Delete. Here, trim by this arc. Sorry, trim by this arc, enter. Oh, why? Take that, trim 1, 2. I'll take these out and these out. This one will be deleted. This is the fillet from the edge front. Now here, trim. What we need? This arc and this line, and here. Enter. I'll take this and take these out. 1, 2, 3. Didn't take it. Why? I don't know. Take it out. These ones are out. Again, trim by this line. This one is in the side. I can't see it. Now my fillet is ready. F5. Again, isocircle. This is my hole, and the hole is 520. The hole is 520. So I go back here. So where's the center? This is my center. Can we draw it? No. We need to take isocircle. Don't forget. Don't forget again. Isocircle first, and then find the center. Where's my center? Here's my center, and it's 2, 0. Is it right? What's the problem here? We have 5, 2, 0. 5. Don't forget that. So I'll go back. I'll take this one and delete. Go back again to ISO, circle, center, diameter. Now 2, 0. Of course, this part we can't see it. Just trim by this line. Enter, and this will be hidden down. This is my circle. Of course, I can do now construction center line from here there. Center line from here. I don't know, F3. Let's take a look at this somewhere here. My ISO is ready. My ISO is ready. How to create a dimension? As I told you, I'll create it again. A line dimension we usually use. We need lines to be intersected together. Otherwise, it will be wrong from end to end. This is my height. Okay, click. What do we have? from this line to this line we have our height here. From this line to this line we have our dimension here. Okay, from this line to this line we have our dimension here. Okay, and again from mid to mid we have our line here. For arcs we have to use a symbol. Click on the arc, put it somewhere, enter and write it manually. It's R30 and R capital 30. Okay, this is my, and the other for our other arcs. How to make or arrange our dimension? As I told you, we have to go to annotate. From here we pen this here and choose oblique, this one. Okay, enter, and I want it parallel to this line. From here, there. Again, oblique, this line for instance, enter. I need it what? For the parallel to this. The extension line to be parallel or to this, it's the same. Okay, again, oblique, this is oblique. Take this line, enter. I need it parallel to the inclined face. Okay, again, oblique, this one and this one, they'll be parallel to this line from here, there, and etc. This way we come to end to our isometric. Of course, for your customer you can make some decoration. If we go home here and go to hatch, okay, click hatch here. From here take a gradient, okay, gradient or solid as you wish. Now you can give colors, any color you wish. Just click on the face and you can have these colors here. This is for your customer, in order to amaze your customers. As I told you, we draw usually isometric as a fast 3D modeling of the object for our customers in order to explain to them our project. Thank you for watching. See you in next videos. Goodbye.